Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I welcome you to classtheta.com. In this question and answer series by Class Theta, we'll be discussing different questions and their different answers. So for today's which we'll be discussing, our question is in case study. So let's get to the question. In an attempt to deter speeder, the East Dakota State Police EDSP installs video camera on all of its freeways overpasses. The cameras are connected to a computer that can reliably detect car traveling more than 5 miles per hour above the speed limit. These computers have sophisticated image recognition software that enable them to read license plate number and capture high-resolution picture of a vehicle driver. If the picture of the driver matches the driver license photo of one of the registered owner of the car issues a speeding ticket to the driver, complete with the photo evidence. 6 months after the system is put into the operation, the number of people speeding in the East Dakota freeway is reduced by 90%. The FBI asked the EDSP for the real-time access to the information collection by the video cameras. The EDSP complies with the request. 3 months later, the FBI uses the information to assist 5 members of a terrorist organization. So the questions we have here are 5 questions. Did the East Dakota State Police do anything wrong in it? Who benefit from the action of the EDSP? Who was harmed by the action of EDSP? What other causes of action could the EDSP have taken to achieve its objectives? Examine the advantages and disadvantages of these alternative course of action. What additional information, if any, would help you answer the previous question? These are the 5 questions. The answer of the question first is, did the East Dakota State Police do anything wrong? The East Dakota State Police did not do anything wrong by installing the video cameras on all of its freeway overpasses to deter speeders, as long as they follow proper protocols and regulations for surveillance and data privacy. However, the decision to provide the real-time access to the information collected by the cameras to FBI without a warrant or a proper legal process could be a violation of privacy law and civil liberties. So question 2 is, who benefit from the action of the EDSP? The action of the EDSP benefit the community by reducing the number of people speeding on the East Dakota freeways, which can improve safety and reduce the number of accidents. Additionally, the FBI benefit from the information collected by the cameras, which help them arrest member of the terrorist organization. Question number 3. The answer of question number 3 is, who was harmed by the action of EDSP? The potential harm caused by the action of EDSP is whether violated by the privacy law or civil liberties by providing real-time access to the information collected by the camera to the FBI without proper legal process. If so, individual rights to privacy could have been violated and they could have been harmed. So question 4, what other causes of the action could the EDSP have taken to achieve its objective? Examine the advantage and disadvantage of these alternative course of action. The EDSP could have been explored an alternative matter of surveillance, such as speed cameras automatically issue ticket and speeder without capturing photos of drivers. The objective of this method is that it could achieve the same objective, deterring speeders without violating the privacy law or civil liberties. However, the advantage is that it may not be as effective as the current method, which captures photo and driver issues tickets and photo evidence. So the question 5, what additional information, if any, would have helped you answer the previous question? So additional information that would help us to answer the previous question include whether the EDSP followed the proper protocols and regulation for the surveillance and data privacy, whether they obtained the proper legal process before providing real-time access and information collected by the cameras to the FBI, and whether individual rights privacy were violated. This answer is also posted on the website. The link is attached in the description and you can check out and read it out in detail. If you have any question, you can go to the classtheta.com and you can post in the ask section. If you have any question regarding this video, you can post in the comment section and I'll answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Until next question, bye bye.